Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to add nails in Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open a Picsart application. So as you can see, there's a plus icon on the middle. Tap on this to create a new project. So you can include any of the images that you want to edit. Tap on any one of them. So you have entered this editing platform here. In order to add nail effect, tap on this sticker and here search for nail art. So as you search nail art, you'll be available with different type of nail arts here. So most of them are free. Tap on any one of them that you like. So tap on them and you can input it here. So you can adjust it according to how you want. You can resize this image and fit it into your picture. So you can even increase and decrease the opacity, and at last tap on the tick button on the top. So we are done. So this is how you add nails on Picsart. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.